Telestream will unveil Content Manager, a next-generation system leveraging both on-prem and cloud storage at NAB. It provides a single point of access for content across an organization's entire storage ecosystem, including cloud and on-prem platforms. So, Philip, tell me about this and how it'll help broadcasters.
Well, it's interesting. One of the things that I've heard from a lot of customers and clients and friends in the industry around cloud is it's difficult to manage cloud and on-prem. And so there's this sort of holy grail to create a solution that helps you sort of manage multi-cloud content, because you're going to be dealing with people who are using Dropbox or AWS or Azure, plus you have stuff on-prem and you want to see this holistic view of everything. And I think this is a very good first step towards that. There are some features and functions I think that they can add in later. Of course, because of their transcoding and their other tool set, which obviously has to put things in certain locations, it makes perfect sense to be able to have something on-prem, transcode it to get it into the cloud, or if somebody puts something up on the cloud, to be able to grab it from the cloud and transcode it immediately. So it's definitely an interesting tool, and I'm hoping that there are more vendors that start to sort of build things like this.
What do you think are the kind of things that it'll get used for?
Since there's so much remote production going on nowadays, and getting content back to the studio, because you have to play it in a quote unquote play it in a control room. The control room is someplace. Now it may all be in the cloud, it may be on prem, but all the material is typically in one location. And this will help them sort of manage multiple locations and be able to get that content that is field produced or remotely produced into a singular location, making it very easy for productions to go forward with, which is, again, having content spread around the world. It's great from an ease of use, but it's horrible from an ease of production perspective. So I think a lot of this will tie into their transcode capabilities and their other software packages, and just making it easier to move content from different locations and centralize it. So it'll be, like I said, I hope a lot more companies start thinking in those terms. It's not an either or, it's a both.